Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be taking a closer look at the BOSGAME P4 Mini PC, which is powered by AMD Ryzen 7 processor. So this compact machine promises solid performance for design work, multitasking and light gaming. So if you are considering a powerful mini PC without going full laptop, stick around. And if you want to check the latest pricing or the deals, you will find the link of it in the description box below. So the BOSGAME P4 Mini PC, as I've told you earlier, is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 5700U. It is an 8-core 16 threads processor with boost speeds up to 4.3 GHz. It also includes the integrated Radeon graphics running at 1900 MHz. Now for memory, you are going to get 32 GB of DDR4 RAM, expandable up to 64 GB and a fast 1 TB PCIe SSD. So for connectivity, this is where it really stands out. It supports triple 4K displays at 60 Hz through the HDMI DisplayPort and the USB-C. It also features dual 2.5 GB LAN ports, Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2, which is impressive for a mini PC in this particular range. So in daily use, setup is very simple. You just have to plug it in, connect your displays, and you are ready to go. For productivity tasks like Photoshop, video editing and multitasking, performance is really very smooth and responsive. So as compared to the alternatives like Intel NUC 11 performance or the Asus PN50, the BOSGAME P4 stand out for its RAM capacity and network connectivity. So the question here is it actually worth purchasing in 2026? So in my opinion, if you need a compact, compatible machine for productivity, content creation, light gaming and multitasking, the BOSGAME P4 Mini PC offers strong value for its specs. But if your focus is heavy gaming or advanced graphics work, you will need a system with a dedicated GPU. So again, if you want to check this out, the link is in the description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.